There is nothing more demoralizing than watching a heavy dumbbell crash through your drywall or seeing a cracked spider web across your garage concrete because you thought rug padding was enough floor protection. Building a home gym isn't just about buying metal, it's about building a room that can take a beating. Today, I'm showing you the exact gear you need to build a functional, durable strength setup that will last you decades, not months. I'm talking about specific brands, the specs that actually matter, and the price ranges you should expect to pay. Check the description below for direct links to everything I mention, so you can start building your sanctuary without the guesswork. Before you buy a single weight, you need to protect your foundation. The gold standard for budget-conscious home gym owners is the 3/4-inch thick rubber horse stall mat. You can find these at farm supply stores like Tractor Supply, usually in 4 by 6 foot sheets. They are dense, recycled rubber designed to handle horses, so they can easily handle deadlifts and drop dumbbells. They typically run about $40 to $50 per sheet, making them significantly cheaper than fitness branded flooring. When you go to buy these, do not buy the foam puzzle mats or the thinner 1/2-inch rolls. You need that 3/4-inch density to dampen noise and prevent the heavy iron from denting your concrete subfloor. Just a heads up, they usually smell like petroleum when you first unwrap them, so let them sit in the sun for a few days before installing them inside. The centerpiece of any serious home gym is the power rack, and for a beginner, the Rep Fitness PR 1100 is the sweet spot between cost and functionality. This is a 4-post steel frame that allows you to bench press and squat safely without a spotter. It catches the bar if you fail a lift, which is a non-negotiable safety feature when you are training alone. You can expect to pay around $450 to $500 for this rack. When you are shopping for racks, ignore the total weight capacity marketing fluff. Instead, look at the steel gauge. The PR 1100 uses 11-gauge steel, which is rock solid. The one thing to watch out for is the bolt-together holes. Make sure you assemble it on a perfectly flat surface, or else the frame might twist slightly, making it hard to slide the J-hooks in and out. You cannot build a good physique with a cheap, bent bar. The Rogue Bar 2.0 is the industry standard for a reason. It offers incredible durability and whip, meaning the bar flexes slightly at the bottom of a squat or deadlift to help you generate force. It features a 28.5 mm diameter shaft with aggressive knurling, which is the textured grip that ensures the bar doesn't slip out of your sweaty hands during heavy pulls. It is expensive, hovering around $300, but it is a lifetime buy. If you are looking for a specific buying tip, check the coating. Black zinc is the standard, but if you have a humid garage, consider a stainless steel shaft coating to prevent rust, or just make sure you wipe it down with a light coat of oil or 3-in-1 after every workout. Never leave chalk and sweat on the bar overnight. A solid bench is almost as important as the bar itself. The Rep Fitness AB 3100 is a flat, incline-decline bench that uses a unique ladder adjuster system, allowing you to change angles quickly by pulling a single pin, rather than fiddling with a pop pin and a slider. It has a zero-gap design, meaning there is no space between the seat and the back pad, which is crucial for comfort and preventing your tailbone from digging in during incline presses. This bench usually costs around $350. A common mistake people make is buying a cheap bench that wobbles. When testing a bench, sit on the edge and apply pressure. If it rocks even a little bit, don't buy it. You want a bench rated for at least 1,000 pounds of static capacity to ensure it feels stable under you. Finally, you need the weights. And if you are training in a garage, you need bumper plates. These are weight plates made of high-density rubber with a steel insert in the center, designed to be dropped from overhead without destroying your floor or the bar. The Rogue Echo bumpers are fantastic because they have a thin profile, meaning you can fit more weight on the bar, and they are dead bounce, meaning they don't rebound excessively when dropped. You can expect to pay about $2.50 to $3 per pound, with a standard set of 160 kilograms, 355 pounds, costing around $750. When buying bumpers, look for the geometer or hardness rating. You generally want something around 90 to 95 on the Shore scale. Avoid the cheap, colorful virgin rubber plates if you are on a budget, as recycled black bumpers offer nearly the same durability at a fraction of the price. The biggest mistake beginners make is buying cardio equipment they won't use. That expensive treadmill or elliptical often becomes the world's most expensive clothes hanger within 3 months. Stick to strength training gear. It gives you the most bang for your buck in terms of floor space and results. Another major error is not measuring your space before buying. A power rack is roughly 4 feet wide and deep, plus you need room for your feet and the bar. If you order a massive rack and your car won't fit in the garage anymore, you're going to have a bad time. Lastly, don't buy a multi-gym station, those weird all-in-one machines with cables and pulleys attached to a bench. They usually have terrible range of motion and break easily. Stick to free weights and a cage. They are simple, durable, and proven to work. Building this setup step by step is an investment in your health that pays dividends for years. Start with the floor and the rack, then upgrade your bar and plates as you get stronger. Remember, you don't need to buy it all at once, but buy quality when you do, so you only have to buy it once. I've dropped links to the specific stall mats, the PR 1100 rack, the Rogue bar, and everything else we talked about today in the description below, so you can go get the right gear. If this guide helped you map out your gym, hit that subscribe button for more so you wanna guides, and I'll see you in the gym.